Alright, opening day of dove season, actually the afternoon of opening day. Out here with my dad and brother again, like usual. We're glad this can continue. Well, we're glad this is continuing, this tradition, I guess is what I'm trying to say. Dad's 88 years old. We've been doing this a long time. I'm 26 years younger than him, I guess. But it's a good tradition. We hope we can keep it going a few more years. Maybe we'll get something, maybe we won't. All right, well, it's getting late. You probably can't even see me. I can't even see myself in here. Good grief, I know I'm there. Here, let me do this. Put some light on this gorgeous face. Maybe. Good grief, I don't know. Anyway, yep. So we shot a few birds, and we're going to go in and make some poppers, and we'll show you how we're going to do that and get it heated up, and we'll get some birds cleaned up and start making some poppers. Yeah, nighttime. Anyway, we let it get dark on us, so that's okay. They are huge, aren't they? Man, they smell good. Another 7 minutes.